Cody Lee. Now, Cody Lee's from the special needs space. If the name sounds familiar to any of your listeners or yourself, he won America's Got Talent in 2019. Blind and autistic, severely autistic, right? If you talk to him, it's like, uncanny. You hear him sing, and man, you just know there's a whole nother level of feeling, and you can feel him sing, right? And so, anyway, when they came down to meet me about the resort stuff, I said we'd love to collaborate. And but his mom played me a song that Cody had recorded like 6 months earlier. So like, this is our favorite song that he has ever made. And I normally release this stuff immediately, but for some reason we sat on this, and I think I know why. I think it's yours. I listened to it and I got chills. I'm getting choked up at the dinner table with all my people there, right? And I'm like, where did he learn this? Where did he learn the feeling of this, right? Anyway, long story short, Cody was so excited about us putting it in the movie, he wrote 2 more that were perfect. They fit so perfect that I'm like, I just start laughing because you're like, how long have I done it wrong? Right? How long have I done it wrong? But what it added, the elements that added to it were just perfect. It brings the emotion to it. It brings the attention to it.